ano pa mga karanasan natin na makapagbigay sa atin ng halimbawa lesson sa buhay, that it will become your best teacher. And by their mercy, Christ, it is also the same in our gospel. No, ang Panginoon ay kasama niya ang mga disipulo. The disciples never fast because that was their best experience with Jesus. It was the presence of Jesus that is present, and the presence of Jesus is their best experience with the apostles. And so, they never fasted. Unlike, katulad po sa mga disipulo ni Juan, katulad po sa disipulo ng mga Pariseo, sila po ay nagpa-fast, sila ay nag-aayuno. Because their experience is not the same with the experience with the disciples together with Jesus. The presence of the Lord is very important. As the Father the Christ, in our celebration, sa ating po Ebanghelyo ngayon, tayo po ay tinatawagan na hindi po fast eating, kung hindi po fasting and festing. May iba sa atin, pag sa halimbawa, fasting, hala, madaling araw, mga hagabi, alas 11 na gabi, wala pang brother, wala pang father, wala pang fasting. Akain kayo ng marami kasi nga ay magka-alas 12. Yan, it is the start of fasting. It is not fast eating, kung hindi fast and fasting. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, when the Lord ascended into heaven, ano ang sasabi ng Panginoon? I will be with you until the end of time. So do we need to fast? Because God is already with us. Our experience with Jesus is already with us. My dear friends, the answer to that question is yes or no. Bakit po? Kasi when we have celebration, the presence of Jesus is an absence. Jesus is present, but He is absent. We need to fast because the presence of Jesus is here, but we need to feast. Ano po ba ang ibig sabihin? That the presence of Jesus is no longer with us, and He is already absent. So, we need to fast. Mag-aayuno in order that we can give something for the Lord, give something to the poor, give something for justice. Now, so tayo ay mag-ayuno kasama ang Diyos, not by gloomy face. Now, not by, ay, ako ay nag-fasting, ay parang mukha natin ay parang wala tayo, hindi tayo nagsusupply. No! But it is a happy face because Jesus is with us. We need to fast. And we need to feast. Tayo ay magsilibra. Tayo ay magdiriwang. Dahil sa banal na misa, kasama natin ang Panginoon. Kasama natin ang Diyos. Kasama natin siya ngayon. And God is amazing because every time we celebrate the Eucharist, God is present in us. And so, we need to fast because God is no longer with us. But we need to feast because God is in us. God is Emmanuel.